Welcome to QZenith video tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move files from the source path to the destination path. Now, moving files means normally when we cut and then paste it on the destination. So that's why we call moving from one place to another. Now, copy means when you copy from the source path to the destination path, and both of those paths will be having the information that is copied. But moving, that means it's actually cutting and then pasting on the destination path. So let's get started. I have switched back to my Parrot operating system over here, and then ls--l that will show you the listing of files and directories on your current directory or your current path. So if you wanted to check your current or present working directory, you could just type pwd and then hit enter. So we have got home sbd, that's the full path. Now within that sbd folder or directory, we have got these numbers of files and folders. So if I wanted to move a file from the source to destination, how can I move that? I would say mv, and let us take this file, move it to the pictures directory. So if I say mv paramiko and then pictures, so paramiko is the source file and I'm pasting it to the directory which is known as pictures. So when I'm going to hit enter, what it does is, if I'm going to do ls-l and then hit enter, now paramiko doesn't exist over here in the current folder. Why? So we have moved it from our source location to the destination location, which is the picture directory. So cd picture, hit enter, changing directory to pictures. Now if I do pwd present working directory, I'm within the pictures directory, ls-l, hit enter, and you can see that paramiko file actually is cut from the source path and then pasted over here within the pictures directory. So this is how you move files or cut and paste the files from source path to destination path, and how to move directory from the source path to the destination path. So let's get started. I'm going to switch back to my VMware Workstation Pro, and I'm in my Parrot operating system, and I'm going to clear the screen, ls-l, to list out files and folders within the current directory. And let me create two directories. So mkdir directory 1 and then directory 2, and then hit enter, and ls-l, hit enter. I have created two directories. Now let one directory be empty and let directory 2 have some kind of file within it. So cd directory 2, change directory to directory 2, pwd for present working directory. I'm in this specific path, home sbd and then directory 2, and ls-l, there's no files and folders within this directory 2. So I'm going to create a file, touch file 1.txt. Now, touch is used to create files without having any kind of content within the file. So it creates 0-byte files. So if I do ls-l, hit enter, you can see that file 1 has been created. You can use touch for creating multiple files. I'll show you later on. Now I'm going to exit out from this current directory, cd space ... and then hit enter, and ls-l. Now we have got directory 1. Within directory 1 there's no file. We have got directory 2. Within directory 2 we have got a single file named as file1.txt. So if I want to move this directory from here to the pictures directory, so how do we do that? I would say mv directory 1 and then pictures. So this is the source directory name, and where we are going to paste it, it's going to be pasted over here in the pictures directory. So hit enter, moved from the source, ls-l to verify. We only have got directory 1, directory 2 over here. Directory 1 has already been pasted over here. in the pictures directory. So to verify, ls space minus l pictures, hit enter, and we can see that directory 1 is over there. Now it was empty. Now directory 2, which is not empty, it has a file within it. So if I say mv directory 2 pictures, that's the source, and then hit enter, and then ls space minus l pictures, hit enter. So directory 2 is also pasted over here. So to verify, in the current directory, we don't have any kind of directory 2 over here. So moving does not require -r. That means the recursive. Only when we copy directories from source to destination, at that point, we need the recursive option -r. But moving does not require -r, just mv source path and then destination path, that is it. So this is how you move the file from one path to the destination path. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.